Want to make your home feel smarter, cleaner, and way more convenient without spending a fortune? These Amazon gadgets are designed to solve everyday problems in the most satisfying way possible. From cleaning tools that save hours of work to smart upgrades that instantly make your space feel futuristic, these are some of the coolest gadgets people are obsessing over right now. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll probably have at least one of these sitting in your cart. As always, all the links are waiting for you down in the description below. Scrubbing bathrooms by hand gets tiring fast, especially when soap, scum, and stains refuse to disappear. That's where this electric spin scrubber comes in. Instead of wasting energy scrubbing tiles for hours, this gadget uses powerful rotating brush heads to blast through dirt and grime effortlessly. The extendable handle helps you reach floors, tubs, corners, and even ceilings without bending over or hurting your back. It's cordless, waterproof, and comes with multiple brush attachments for different surfaces. Honestly, cleaning starts feeling weirdly satisfying when this thing gets to work. Ever spill coffee on your carpet right before guests arrive? This mini portable carpet cleaner is built for moments exactly like that. It sprays, scrubs, and pulls stains out of carpets, couches, stairs, and even car seats in seconds. The compact design makes it super easy to carry around the house, while the strong suction lifts dirt before it settles deep into fabric. Pet messes, muddy footprints, juice spills, it handles them all without the stress. It's basically like having a tiny emergency cleaning machine always ready to save the day. Cleaning windows from the outside can feel risky, frustrating, and honestly exhausting. This magnetic window cleaner changes the entire experience. It cleans both sides of the glass at the same time using strong magnets that stay connected through the window. As you move one side, the other follows perfectly, giving you sparkling clean windows much faster than traditional methods. It's especially useful for apartments or hard-to-reach windows where climbing outside isn't exactly safe. Watching it glide smoothly across the glass is surprisingly satisfying too. Dry air can make your room uncomfortable without you even realizing it. Waking up with dry skin, irritated sinuses, or a scratchy throat gets old fast. That's why this portable air humidifier is such a useful little gadget. It adds refreshing moisture back into the air while running almost silently in the background. Some versions even include soft ambient lighting that makes your room feel extra cozy at night. Its compact size means you can place it on your desk, bedside table, or even carry it while traveling. Small gadget, huge comfort upgrade. Crumbs on the couch, dust in tight corners, pet hair everywhere. Dragging out a giant vacuum for tiny messes feels like overkill. This cordless handheld vacuum makes quick cleaning ridiculously easy. Lightweight but powerful, it sucks up dirt, crumbs, and debris in seconds without any annoying cords getting in the way. It's perfect for cleaning cars, keyboards, furniture, stairs, or those random little messes that somehow appear every day. The rechargeable battery gives you freedom to clean anywhere, and the compact design makes storage simple too. One quick cleanup session with this thing, and you'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. Cutting watermelon usually turns into a giant sticky disaster. Juice everywhere, uneven slices, and a huge mess left behind. But this watermelon slicer makes the whole process fast, clean, and oddly satisfying. Just push it through the watermelon and it creates perfect cubes instantly, ready to serve straight onto your plate. No slippery knife struggles or messy cutting boards required. It's perfect for summer parties, quick snacks, or anyone who loves watermelon but hates preparing it. Simple gadget, but seriously clever. Opening cans shouldn't feel like a workout. This electric can opener handles everything with one simple touch. Just place it on top of the can, press the button, and watch it smoothly cut around the edge automatically. No twisting, no sharp, jagged lids, and no sore hands afterward. It even leaves behind smooth edges for safer handling. It's especially useful for busy kitchens, elderly users, or honestly anyone tired of fighting stubborn cans while cooking dinner. Nothing ruins dessert faster than rock-hard ice cream bending your spoon in half. That's why this heated rechargeable ice cream scoop feels like pure genius. The warming tip gently heats up just enough to glide through frozen ice cream effortlessly, creating smooth, perfect scoops every single time. No more waiting for the ice cream to melt or struggling to dig through it. It's rechargeable, lightweight, easy to clean, and makes dessert prep feel weirdly luxurious. Late-night cravings just became way easier to deal with. Ever leave home and suddenly wonder if you turned something off? This smart Wi-Fi plug fixes that problem instantly. Plug it into any outlet, connect it to your phone, and suddenly your regular appliances become smart devices. Lamps, coffee makers, fans, heaters. You can control them all remotely from anywhere. Set schedules, create timers, or even use voice commands through your smart assistant. Imagine waking up to fresh coffee automatically brewing before you even leave bed. Tiny gadget, massive convenience. Running out of storage space is basically a universal problem. Closets get packed, shelves overflow, and suddenly your room feels cluttered all the time. These underbed storage containers help you use space that normally goes wasted. Slide them under your bed and instantly create hidden storage for clothes, blankets, shoes, or seasonal items. Clear covers let you quickly see what's inside without opening everything, and sturdy handles make them easy to pull out whenever needed. It's one of those simple organization upgrades that instantly makes your room feel cleaner and less stressful. Working, studying, or watching movies in bed sounds relaxing until your neck and back start hurting. This adjustable laptop bed table fixes that problem fast. It gives you a stable surface for your laptop, books, snacks, or even breakfast while letting you adjust the angle and height for maximum comfort. The foldable legs make it easy to store away when you're done, and the lightweight design means you can use it almost anywhere. Whether you're gaming, working remotely, or binge watching your favorite show, this little table makes everything more comfortable. Drying clothes indoors can quickly turn your room into a cluttered mess. This foldable wall-mounted drying rack gives you extra drying space exactly when you need it without permanently taking over the room. Just pull it out when doing laundry, then fold it flat against the wall afterward. It's perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, balconies, or small spaces where every inch matters. Despite the compact design, it's strong enough to hold heavy clothes, towels, and even blankets. Smart, simple, and super space-saving. Walking into a dark closet or hallway at night is always annoying. These motion sensor LED lights solve the problem automatically. The moment they detect movement, they switch on instantly, giving you bright lighting exactly where you need it. No wiring, no complicated installation, and no fumbling for switches in the dark. You can stick them inside closets, under cabinets, along stairways, or anywhere extra lighting would help. Since they're rechargeable, you don't have to keep wasting money on batteries either. Once you install them, regular lights start feeling outdated. Your room setup can completely change with the right lighting, and these smart RGB strip lights make that transformation ridiculously easy. Stick them behind your desk, bed, TV, or shelves, and suddenly your entire room gets a futuristic glow. You can change colors, brightness, and lighting effects straight from your phone. Some even sync with music, movies, or games to create an immersive experience that feels straight out of a gaming setup video. Whether you want cozy, warm lighting or crazy, colorful effects, these lights instantly upgrade the vibe of any room. Digging through dark closets or drawers trying to find something gets frustrating fast. That's why this rechargeable closet organizer light is so useful. It automatically lights up the moment it detects movement, helping you instantly see everything clearly without turning on the main room light. The slim design fits perfectly inside wardrobes, shelves, cabinets, or drawers, and the rechargeable battery keeps things simple and wireless. It's one of those small upgrades that makes everyday life feel smoother without even realizing it. Some gadgets are flashy, some are smart, and some are just incredibly useful. But the best ones are the gadgets that make everyday life easier without adding extra hassle. From cleaning tools that save serious time to smart home upgrades that feel futuristic, these products are designed to make your daily routine cleaner, simpler, and way more satisfying. And honestly, once you start using gadgets like these, going back to the old way feels impossible. As always, check out all the links in the description below and let me know which gadget was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.